In the last 2-3 months, the company has closed the financing for a total of $9 million, and it currently has 15 million shares outstanding, which is an accomplishment. We have successfully acquired and drilled a flagship potential from Teck Cominco, which is in an excellent location in Argentina. Dr. David Terry, our chief geologist, of course, is basically advising that one of the major accomplishment was the calculation and the review of the work done on Gualcamayo, which is ideally located, and he will speak about it in a second. So that was one of the accomplishments which we're very, very pleased. Those are the things that come to mind as a first in the last 3 months, 3-4 months.
Well, the next 3 to 6 months for Golden Arrow are going to be very exciting. We've got a lot of work planned. One of the first things we'll be doing is carrying out the second phase, or the second part of the first phase of drilling on the Poncha property. Unfortunately, we were stopped due to bad weather, and that's going to be recommencing in October, November. We are going to be carrying out the first drill program on the San Jose Gold Project. It's a project that we discovered ourselves. There's 4 bulk tonnage grade gold zones close to surface over 1.5 kilometers of strike length, and we're going to be doing the first test of that with a drill. We're also going to be carrying out an airborne survey on our large land position south of the Gualcamayo gold deposit, and we are going to be doing a lot of surface work following up on that. We recently announced the discovery of a large gold anomaly on the Pescado claim, which is a part of that land package south of the Gualcamayo gold deposit, which we also have a 1% royalty on, and we're looking forward to it going into production over the next year. This is a map of the Poncha gold property that we've got a joint venture with Teck Cominco, and we're earning an interest in the property. There's 2 known zones of mineralization on the property, a northern copper gold zone and a southern gold rich zone, which also has significant zinc associated with it. The red holes that you see on here are the holes that are planned for the Phase 2 drill program. The blue ones are from the 2006 program carried out by Teck Cominco. Only 3 of the holes were completed during the current phase of drilling we've reported on this summer, and we're going to be continuing on with the remainder of the program once the South American winter ends in October or November. And you can see the landscape here. This is a perfect landscape for exploring in. It's remote but easy access to the city of San Juan, and we're excited about getting back and working on that property. This map shows the relationship to the properties in the Gualcamayo Gold District that are owned by Golden Arrow in red to the Yamana's Gualcamayo Gold Project, which is shown in gray. We tie on immediately to the south of the Gualcamayo Gold Project. This has a resource now of approximately 3 million ounces of gold, and it was a discovery that Golden Arrow's predecessor company made back in the 1990s. And as a result of that, Golden Arrow has a 1% net smelter royalty, which should come into effect over the next year or so once the mine goes into production. The red properties which are shown on this map of the western Cordillera of Argentina in San Juan province show Golden Arrow's large land holdings in this mineral-rich district. As you can see, the large Veladero mine in Pascua-Lama, which is just going into production, owned by Barrick. We have a number of properties which are just immediately to the east and tie on to the Barrick properties in the Valle de Cura area. We've also got the Mogote property, which is up in the area that's being explored by Tenke and CVRD, another excellent property in the western Cordillera.
Quite frankly, yes, we are. We feel that in view of the recent summer doldrum that usually the stock market goes to. We have dropped from a high of $1.25 recent to 85-90 cents. It's a respectable level, but we do feel that the recognition of the value that the company has, the amount of shares outstanding, we feel that the market cap will have lots of room. There's a lot of excitement in looking at the value that the company has versus the potential where it can go. I feel that we are noting a pause, perhaps after too much activity. There is a pause in the market. The truth of the matter is that the developing countries have not even started to develop. China, India, Korea, and other third world countries. We feel that price of gold, price of oil, copper, zinc, the prices of these commodities are extremely high because of the demand, obviously. And I feel that I am very bullish that this is a correction. Perhaps it will be a severe correction, but it is a healthy one. But overall, I see a very positive next 2-3 years. Very positive. I feel that also the current situation makes the investors looking at value, and they're much more sensitive as to what they're buying. And we feel that our company will stand up extremely well. When you look at a company with 15 million shares outstanding, we got approximately 4,000 shareholders which hold the stock. We have 40 properties extremely well located, 10 of which are drill ready. We have $8 million in the kitty, in the treasury. We have about $1 million plus per year coming to our cash flow, which avoids dilution. When you look at all those things and the extremely good results that we're having in a multi-front, if you're looking at the risk-reward, this company has a lot of rewards with the least amount of risks. So we are very bullish. We feel that we will do very well.